Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. So in this video, we're going to talk about the problem A of Goodbye 2021 contest, which is integer diversity. So in this problem, what you have to do is you have to find the maximum number of different values which we can achieve. Okay, after doing some operation. The operation is that we have to select some elements or basically some such subset in from the particular array, and we have to negate that number. Okay, and by doing this, you have to find the maximum number of different values that we can find in the array. So what do you mean by the different number of means the maximum number of different values? What do you mean by this sentence? Okay, so it basically means that how many different values are present in that array. For example, let's take an example. For example, there is an array which contain 1, okay, minus 1 and a 0. It contains three different values. These all are different values. Okay, if there is an array which contains 2, 2 and 0, it contains only two different values, which is 2 and 0, because these two values are similar. We have to select some numbers from the given array and we have to negate that number. For example, in this array, we select this 2 and make this minus 2. Now this array has three negative values after that operation. So such that we have to find the maximum number of different values. Fine. Okay. So let's see that if we have a number present in that array more than one time. For example, 2 is present 3 times, 4 is present 5 times. For example, means a number is present more than one time. If it is present one time, then it can be positive or that number can be negative. It can be positive or it can be negative. But if it is present more than one time, means equal to or equal to 2 times, greater than or equal to 2 times, then we can make the one of that number minus and one of that number negative. Means we can make the positive of that number and negative of the number both. For example, हमारे पास एक जो दो बार है, तो लोग एक को वन बना लेंगे, एक को पॉजिटिव और एक को नेगेटिव में बना लेंगे नॉर्मली वाले ऑपरेशन करके. हमें मान लो दो बार आ रहा है, एक को पॉजिटिव एक को माइनस टू. कोई भी नंबर, if any number is present more than one time, then we can make a positive of that number and a negative of that number. Means we have two different numbers from that particular number. This is the first thing. And if we have a zero, then we can't make minus zero, because minus zero and zero is same. So for in case of zero, we can just make one number because zero is a unique number. Fine. So we have to just count at how many times a number is appearing in that array. Okay. So for that, what I have done is I have written a code. Let me show you. What I have done is that I have first of all counted the number of times a number is occurring. If 0 is occurring, then we have just incremented c, because we are just counting as 0 as a 0. We can't count it minus 0. If a number is coming one time, then we can take either a positive of the number or a negative of the number. But if a number is coming more than one time, then we can take positive of the number also, negative of the number also. So we have incremented c by 2, and now we have just output the value of c. So this is a very, you can say a tricky and easy question. If you don't know, you can join our Telegram. You can ask there. You can also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.